Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create personalized stickers with Meta AI on Messenger. So if you want to create stickers, you can use Meta AI to create personalized stickers that will so it will allow you to generate custom stickers based on the prompts that you write. And this is a step-by-step guide to create your own personalized stickers. First, you need to update the Messenger applications to be able to have access to this Meta AI. So make sure you're already on the latest version. Now you on the Messenger, you can just tap on this to ask the Meta AI, or also click on this Meta AI at the bottom. Now you can just request your personalized stickers by sending a prompt. So in the chat in here, you can just write, for example, generate a sticker uh, of a smiling cat with a sunset background, for example. You can hit on send, and Meta AI, oh, unfortunately, they cannot generate the visual images yet, but they can describe the sticker concept like this. The background, warm sunset hues, and a cute smiling cat, and additional elements. And they will also give you the style options. But even though they cannot generate the visual images, I try to ask them to generate it in terms of image, and they provide me this. Okay, you can also give or ask them again, can you change, for example, the color of the cat into gray. Let's try that, and just wait for the response again. Okay, so this is the result. You can just choose which one that you like. You can click on the image, and if you want to, you can click on this drop down to save the image or the stickers. You can also use it in the chat on Messenger if you want to. And so that's all for me. That's how you can generate stickers in Meta AI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.